You know what's better than backyard neighbors? A bird sanctuary, right in your own backyard. Nature, beach, downtown, and nightlife. That's what you'll have here living in Vilano Beach. Just minutes away from the house is Vilano Beach, where you can have cocktails on the rooftop or step your feet into the sand. It's all within walking distance. Historic St. Augustine is only about 10 minutes away, and if you're traveling to the area, the St. Augustine Airport is very close as well. Talk about convenience. When looking for a potential home, are you looking for a multi-generational house? Are you looking for something that's going to bring you income? Well, this is the perfect house for you. You've got the downstairs area that is ready for your imagination to make it either your income-producing home while you're living upstairs, or move your grandparents or parents into the house and you have a whole new living space for them.